Till now, up to the verse 20 and half, it was Dhritarashtra Sanjaya Uvacha, and inside Duryodhana Uvacha. Now comes Arjuna Uvacha, so the real Gita begins from here. He said, Arjuna Uvacha. Who is Arjuna? One who is not free from bondage. Or Arjuna, one who is really free but thinking that I am in bondage. So one who is in ignorance, one who is tied with different knots and nooses is Arjuna. Now Arjuna's first statement, Senayor Ubhayor Madhye Ratham Sthapaya Me Achyuta Me Ratham Senayoho Ubhayoho Madhye Sthapaya O Achyuta. He addressed Lord Krishna as Achyuta, who is addressing Arjuna, who is in bondage. Although one is free, is not experiencing freedom, like every individual, every jiva, every embodied soul. He said, my chariot. Why did he tell my chariot? Here it shows his attachment to his chariot, or it shows his power. If Ratha is the body, my body. If Ratha, the chariot, represents body, we always tell my body, my body, my body. Do we have really control over our body? If it is your body, you own it. If it is your house, you own it. If you have real ownership over your house, do you have control over your body? No. If you have control over your own body, you will not get sick. If you have control over your own body, you will tell heartbeat, stop, it will stop. If you have control over your own body, you will tell digest it, it will digest. It is not happening like this. So if your body is not under your control, how can you tell it is my body? Again, when he is telling Me Ratham Sthapaya, Me means mine, Ratha means chariot, it shows ignorance of Arjuna. But as he has power, or he has been living with this body so long, he thinks that this is my body. But think, is it your body? But he said my chariot, my Ratha me. And here comes the role of the chariot driver. He commanded the chariot driver, you drive my chariot. The question arises, when Achyuta is Lord Himself, God Himself, when Achyuta has no deviation from one's own state, one who has no চ্যুতি, Vichyuti, one who is always the same, meaning God or the soul in the body, one who is always strong, steady, no deviation, no distraction. Can God obey the command of individual? Tell me. Can God obey the command of the individual? The answer is yes. If the individual becomes a devotee, in devotion, God can do anything. So it is said by, what is his name? Anandagiri. There is Anandagiri Tika. Anandagiri is telling that yes, there is every possibility for the Lord to follow the disciple. Arjunasya sarathe sarveswara niyujyate kingna bhaktanam asakya yat bhagavan api tat niyogam anutisthati yukta hi bhagavato bhakta paravasyam. God is always loving the devotee so much. If the devotee tells do this out of devotion, out of love, God is ready to do. Remember, there is a precondition. Out of love, out of devotion, it is possible. If one is a devotee. If we go back to this situation when Duryodhana and Arjuna both are seeking the support and help of Lord Krishna, at that time Lord Krishna told, I will not hold any weapon. I will be just alone. Arjuna said, be my chariot driver. A chariot driver has no need to hold any weapon. Be with me. Now, the difference between Kathopanishad and Bhagavad Gita, in Kathopanishad, the soul or Atma is Rathi. Here in Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna is telling, you are Rathi, but be my Sarathi, be my chariot driver. Why? Because Atma, Nirguna, Nirakara, not involved in any activities. I have to do action through these senses, body, mind, intellect, ego. But if you drive me, then there is no problem. So, here when Arjuna said, Ratham me sthapaya, take my chariot, drive it. Although he is commanding, Lord Krishna is driving.